So, like we said, the two most important things that matter to a customer are speed and accuracy. So this section is about the accuracy. So every single item that leaves the kitchen goes through the expediter station. So the expediter needs to check each and every item that goes through the expo station. Every single item. If it's cheesy garlic bread, you need your marinara. If it's salad, you need your dressing. Everything like that. So you make sure that the food is correct. We have a couple quality assurance policies in place, which you already know, which have been harped on more times than you can count already. Repeating back the order whenever you take the order. You know, having the expediter double check, make sure everything is right. Having the kitchen lead make the food, and then when it gets to the cut station, they see the kitchen ticket, they make sure that the pizza matches the cut station ticket. They bring it back up to the expediter, who checks it again. They give it to a Gem 2, who checks it again, and then we bring it out to the customer, who opens it in front of the Gem 2 opens the box in front of them. So it doesn't matter how busy we are, how slow we are. You always need to take that extra 2 to 5 minutes and make sure it is the right food. No matter what. It doesn't matter if it's a fire burning down the restaurant and it's too crazy, we can't handle it, we need 7 more staff members. Take the time, open the box. Doesn't matter if we have 30,000 staff members and 0 customers and we're all just standing around looking for something to do. Open the box. Make sure. Never take the chance. So as you already know, Gem 2 needs to take the ticket with them whenever they go and run food. So one of your main responsibilities, I've said it once, I've said it again, is to follow through on items. So whether it's following through on an order or following through on procedure, you need to follow through. So over communication is the next thing that we've been harping on for over and over and over again. Over communicate to your Gem 2s whenever they run food. So make sure that they have the ticket with them, as well as you tell them, as well as them looking at the ticket, you tell them which table they're going to. So this next section is just going to be an example of how to do it correctly and an example of how to do it incorrectly.
Go ahead.
So correct way to do it is you need to say, you are going to table 22 for a malto meat pizza. And an incorrect way to say it is, you're going to table 22 malto meat pizza. There's a specific difference. You can't really tell. You don't know where you're going. You don't know any of that information. So you're already in the process of leaving as a Gem 2. So you say, okay, well, I didn't hear them. I'm just gonna look at the ticket, blah blah blah, make sure.
Or I heard 12.
If I heard 12, so I'm gonna run it to 12. It could be a multiple things, but you just need to make sure that you over communicate with people, and you can have a multitude of problems that arise if you don't.